I asked for extra ketchup, and I thought, what is this? What is this? This is so much ketchup. I can't eat that. You're making fun of me because I'm on a diet? Are we going to have it? Sugar and ketchup? How do we know you're on a diet? You okay? I'm upset. Are you on drugs? How do we know you're on a diet? Because look, I'm different man. I just made it. Yes. I'm on drugs. You are drugs. Lower your voice, okay? Calm me down. All of this wasn't necessary. Can you give me a mess up?
Yeah, take a video. Get the f*** out. You just tried to rear-end me and my wife. Look what you did to my car. I hope you have insurance, motherfucker. Get the f*** out of your car. I'm gonna beat your f***ing ass. Get the f*** out, bitch. Get the f*** out, you pussy. You're gonna be a f***ing phone too long. Get the f*** out. You f***ing bitch assholes, motherfuckers. Get the f*** out of your truck. Get the f*** out, you f***ing ass. Let's go. Get out. Get out of your truck. Get out of your truck so I can see your f***ing ass. Get out of your truck, bitch. Let's go. Come on. Look. Want to go? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Take a f***ing video. Take a f***ing video, cunt. You f***ing whore, bitch cunt. Let's go. Come on. Get the f*** out. Get the f***.
That's good. I'm working really hard to clear this yard.
Awesome. I want to see your plans. I want to see your plans. I don't care. You can tape me all you want. Good. Show me your plans, because otherwise I will call the police as well.
Call them.
You do have to show plans.
I don't have to show you shit.
You do have to show me plans. Of course you do. Of course you do.
Because I'm mowing?
Because you're not mowing.
I'm not?
You're clearing. Okay? You're dropping things.
You see me cutting any big trees?
I do. I do.
Wait till he mows this whole section and you can see everything.
You're a real winner.
You are.
You are.
On your own property.
I will not. I want to have a conversation with you.
I don't
want you to call the property owner.
I don't even live here.
Okay, well then I will go find out who does live here, because as far as I'm concerned, you are, until you can prove that you are where you're supposed to be,
I can do whatever I want on his property.
By the way of a marker, because you are my property, I know I have rights.
Okay, I'll be down there.
For how much you can clear,
I'll mow.
I know I have rights.
I'm going to clear all the way to the wall.
I know I have rights.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well,
and I want you to show me.
I don't have to show you nothing.
Yes, you do. You have to mark this, pal. Pal, you have to mark
You're
this.
a beauty. Are you from the city?
You are a beauty.
Are you from the city?
Are you from the city?
No, I grew up here.
Excellent. Good for you. Good for you.
Yeah.
I want you to show me where you have.
I don't have to show you nothing.
Yes, you do.
I know the wall is the property line.
Pal, you got to show that. Oh, good. Awesome. Is this the police?
How am I infringing upon anything?
Because you're clearing everything.
I don't need a permit for that.
Who cleared all that?
Yeah.
To your stone wall.
Did you hear me? I live here. You don't. There is no house.
He's gonna live here.
Okay.
There's gonna be a house here, a big one.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Why are you trying to threaten me? Why are you trying to threaten me?
There's no threatening.
Yes, you are.
There's
yes,
no
you
threatening.
Okay? You don't scare me. Okay. I have a right to know what's happening on my edge
cutting
property.
trees.
Okay, how far are you going?
Right to the stone wall.
Right to the stone wall?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we can, see everything.
Yep.
Karma will get you, big guy.
Oh, no.
Don't you worry.
Okay, over here.
You threatening me?
What?
Okay.
No, I'm not threatening you.
Off my
I'm
property,
simply making a statement.
Hit it.
Yeah.
Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
Yeah.
Or bug somebody else.
I'm not bugging anybody.
Wait till they build the houses down below you.
That's okay, because I have 16 acres too. I'll put my big houses right up next to your big houses. And
I don't care. I don't live here.
We'll have a barbecue.
just
That's
gonna
my
cut all
point,
these trees.
Al. That's my point. You don't live here, so that's why you don't care. I do live here, and I've been working my ass off.
Bye.
Okay, and we talked about how heavy it was. So don't talk to me about disrespectful. If you want to take your shit and get the fuck out of here, you can. Because I'm tired of you.
Wow. Okay. Apparently the way I got your husband on video talking to you like that on the phone earlier, it's going all over the internet. Yeah, that type of stuff is ridiculous. You think you can rob me of $3,000? This should have been $10,000 in labor.
Really? I would not take a square of that for $5,000. Are you crazy? No way.
This was your plan.
Was not worth $5,000.
People like you are ridiculous. Do you realize I will come back and we're going to take everything because I have the receipts for it? It's mine. It's not yours.
Shut me up. Why don't you shut me up? I'm so tired of ignorant people like you coming in here talking bad about the workers. That's why you can't get workers. Who wants to sit here and listen to someone come in here and talk to him? Let that man look. That man ain't causing you any problems. He's doing the best he can. It doesn't matter what I like. I can tell you don't like it. Well, too bad. Go someplace else. Go to Burger King. Have it your way. Have it your way at Burger King. We're going to shut the up. I just said that. I said shut the up, man. I don't care who you call. I could care less.
Excuse me, can you call the police?
You call them.
Yes, you can.
You call them. You say they're busy.
Well, then get the manager back over here.
What's wrong with that corner now? Just get the water. Yeah, that was your
Better yet, I don't want the food.
You don't need the food. I know that one.
Get out of the way,
You got four-wheel drive. Go through the snow.
motherfucker.
Hey,
You want to get your ass kicked? Just get the fucking car out of the way. Good. Do it.
Who the fuck do you think you are? I got a kid in the back of this
I don't
fucking
care
car.
who you are. I'm trying to get my wife to
what
the
this
fucking
is?
hospital.
It's a fucking felony. You're going to prison right now, you piece of